Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you have never been here before, welcome to my channel. My name is Shadi Amiri and I'm a life transformation coach who has managed to transform my own life from lower than rock bottom to my ultimate dream life in less than 1 year. And if you're looking for super unique and magical methods to manifest your dream life fast and easy while you're having fun, you're in the right place. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so you can get notified every week when I post new videos about amazing new magical methods to create the miracle in your life. Today we're talking about the power of the moon, the power of the full moon and the new moon. I personally manifest using the power of the moon, sun, earth, and I use shapes, I use numbers, I use so many magical methods to manifest my dreams. But the power of the moon is one of the biggest ones that I use. So basically we're today here to talk about the power of the moon, why do you have to do rituals, and what are the super powerful rituals that you could do and where you could find them. So there are two types of rituals that you could do every single full moon. The first part of the rituals are the ones that you have to do in all the full moons. There are the common rituals that you do every single month. You have to do them. But there are some rituals that are specifically designed and made specifically according to the power of each month, because each month's full moon has a significant power. It could impact one area of your life. It has different kinds of energies. So you have to do rituals that are according to that specific full moon. And the second part of the rituals are those rituals that are specifically designed for each month. I'm going to tell you where to find these rituals very soon. Let's talk about the general rituals that you have to do every single full moon. These are the things that you need to do every single month on the day of full moon. The first one is that you have to wear bright color. You have to wear something that is preferably blue. I love wearing blue on the day of full moon, but you could also wear green, white, yellow, anything that is bright. You cannot wear dark colors on the day of full moon. Why is that? Because full moon has good energies and negative energies. You're doing the rituals because you want to attract the good energies of the moon. You want to let the good energies in your life and you want to avoid the negative energies of the moon. If you pay attention, the moon has very high impact on oceans, on earth, and everything that is on earth. Our physical body also lives on this planet. So the full moon also has the same impact as it has on the water, on the ocean, on the planet, on the earth, on our body and on the water level of our body. So if we keep wearing dark colors, we attract the negative effects of the moon and we let it absorb to our body. But if we wear bright colors, we're going to avoid the negative energies and only attract the positive of the moon. It's going to help our body heal. It's going to help our mind and soul heal, which is what we want to have in life. So wear brights. The second thing that you want to pay attention every single full moon is to make sure to make yourself bowls of salt water and place it all around your house. If you have a big house, place it in every room. If you have a small house, place one in the middle of the house. If two of the rooms in your house are high traffic and the other rooms you don't even walk into, just ignore the rooms that you don't use and put the salt water in the rooms that you use the most. You need to have the energy of salt water around you throughout the full moon because you want to eliminate the negative energies using the power of the salt. The third ritual that you need to do on every single full moon is to cleanse the energies of your house. You could sage your house, you could burn incense if it's not Friday, because incense is not supposed to be burned on Fridays. If the full moon is on Fridays, do not burn incense. Just use white sage, use Palo Santo wood stick to cleanse the energies of your house, or use bay leaves or use cinnamon stick, burn them and cleanse the energies of your house, or the salt water would do the job if you do not have anything else for cleaning your house energy. But make sure to cleanse the energies of your house. Salt water is perfect. If you do have alternative ways to cleanse the energies, like white sage, like Palo Santo wood stick, use them to cleanse the energies on the day of full moon. This is very important. The fourth ritual that you have to do, this is very important that you have to do on the day of full moon, and that is to cleanse every chakra of your body using salt. This is very important, and this is something that many people don't know and don't do, and it has a lot of negative impact on their lives throughout the full moon. If you want to attract more of the positive energies of the moon on the day of full moon, you're going to take a bowl of salt in the shower with you. I prefer sea salt, but if you have Epsom salt, if you have any type of salt, it doesn't matter. It's better to do it with any type of salt than not doing it at all. So take a bowl of salt in the shower with you. Find out where your chakras are. Start from your crown chakra all the way down to all your chakras. You have to cleanse them using salt. So as you're taking a shower, you have the bowl of salt in the shower with you. You take a pinch of salt, you cleanse your crown chakra while you're setting your intention. So as you're rubbing gently on your chakras, you close your eyes and you set your intention, and you just keep saying, as I'm cleansing my chakra, I'm asking all the negative energies that no longer serve me to be removed, and I'm asking for positive energies to replace them. And then you do it one by one on each chakra while you're setting your intention while you do it. Just find out where your chakras are, search it on Google, and find your chakras and cleanse them on the day of full moon. For the fifth ritual, I like to say making moon water and recharging your crystals with the power of the moon, because most of the full moons you could do this. It's really good to recharge your crystals and make moon water, but some of the full moons throughout the year, they don't have that type of energy for you to recharge your crystals or make moon water. So keep that open until I tell you where you could find the rituals specifically for each month. But this is very powerful. Most of the full moons, you have to recharge your crystals, all the bracelet, necklaces, even your ring, if it has a diamond, that's a crystal. You have to recharge it using the power of the moon. But as I said, some full moons you can't do it. And the thing is that every year those full moons are different. So I can't tell you, for example, every single year, July's full moon. No, some years it's July, some years it's June, some years it's like 2 months of the year. So depending on where the moon, the sun, the earth, and the stars are, we decide which months are proper for charging our crystals. But yes, this is one of the rituals that you could do depending on the month. If you're watching this before November 2022 full moon, this is a good time for you to charge your crystals and make yourself moon water. The sixth ritual I would say that you have to do on the full moons is to avoid drinking alcohol on the full moon days. Try not to drink any type of alcohol because you want to keep your energies focused and clean. You also have to try not to drink too much coffee on the day of full moon because coffee dehydrates your body, and you do not want to be dehydrated on the full moons. You want to be fully hydrated. So drink a lot of water and do not drink much of a coffee. I can't say don't drink any coffee because I'm a coffee lover. I know how you feel. I can't drink coffee right now because I'm pregnant, but in general, on the day of full moons, when I could drink coffee, I would only have 1 cup of coffee and no more. Another thing that you really want to do on the full moon, which would be the 7th ritual right here, is that you need to use the power of nature. On the days of full moon, make sure you go on a nature walk. Make sure you touch the body of a tree. Make sure you hold the body of a tree with your palms. Make sure you connect to the nature. Even if you can walk outside bare feet, that's perfect. You have to connect to the nature on the days of full moon because full moon, Mother Earth, super magical together. So it's perfect if you could connect to the nature on the day of full moon. The 8th and the last ritual that you could do in every single full moon of the year is to write and burn. I'm going to tell you what to write and what to burn. This is a super powerful ritual that you could do every single full moon, and you have to do it. You're going to take a blank piece of paper and you're going to write using blue ink pen. You're going to start writing all the things that you don't want to have in your life on that piece of paper. So you're going to, for example, write, I don't want arguments. I don't want fights. I don't want ugly cries. I don't want financial problems. All the things you don't want to have. I don't want to attract negative people into my life. All the things you don't want to have, you're going to write just as I said, I don't want, and then you're going to write whatever it is that you don't want to have in your life. You're going to write it all, fold the paper, and burn it outdoors, not inside your house, outside of your house. Burn it and put the ashes back to the nature. Give it back to the nature. And if you cannot put the ashes back to the nature, just rinse it with water in your sink. There are some other burning rituals for the full moons that I'm not going to share here, because those are the things that you cannot do every single full moon. You have to consider the energies of the moon when you're doing them, so I'm not going to share them here with you. Now, where can you find my rituals? There's only one place that has all the secrets to all my rituals, not only for the full moon but also for the new moon. Also, all my secrets that has helped me achieve my dream life, all my manifestation secrets in detail, step by step. And that is an online portal that I made. It's called DIY Your Happy Life online course. I made this online course. I dedicated 2.5 years of my life to create this online course, and I have included every single thing, every single secret of my life in there. Plus, I upload the full moon rituals and the new moon rituals every single month to this portal. The new moon ritual could be done only some of the months of the year, so I upload them on the months that you have to do the rituals. The full moon rituals are there every single month, every detail of it, specifically designed for each month. So if you want to know more about DIY Your Happy Life online course, you can go ahead and check the description below this video. And there is also a free webinar that I created, and it shares one of my magical, super powerful secrets on how to turn your mood from low to high immediately. You could go ahead and check that free webinar. It's free. The link is below in the description. You could go ahead and check it out. Thank you for watching this video today. If you did like this video, don't forget to share it with your loved ones, because sharing good things with your loved ones creates a lot of good karma. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love to have you as a subscriber here, and I'm going to share new videos every single week teaching manifestation methods and all the things that you could do to create that miracle in your life. Every single week I'm going to share the video, so if you want to know them, don't forget to press the bell button to get notified with every video that I upload. And don't forget to press that like button, please, if you like the video. Thank you for watching this video. Happy full moon if you're watching it before the full moon. Happy every single full moon of the year for you. Enjoy your full moons and create the magic of the moon in your life. It's going to be like a personal magic wand that you could use anytime that you want to use, and that is the moon. The power of the moon could create a world of miracle in your life. Try it, enjoy it, and love it. I love you and I'm rooting for you. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next week on my next week videos. Take care and have a great day. Goodbye.